I've been hanging on to this wood from an old set of shelves for a long time and finally decided to do something with it. I've seen a couple of different videos on YouTube about building a portable workbench that houses multiple tools, so I came up with a plan of my own, using the wood I had. I had enough wood to cut the 4 sides and a top made from 5 different pieces. The main tool of the bench will be a table saw made from mounting my circular saw to it. So I cut 2 top pieces that will have a small gap where the blade will stick up, and a 3rd piece that will be the edge for a miter guide. I marked out several lines for openings I'm going to cut on the sides, including a circle for what will be a sanding disc on the front. To cut the openings, I used a combination of my drill, a circular saw to get good straight lines, and a jigsaw to round the corners. To get the circle out for the sanding disc, I used a Dremel and made my own sort of router guide. Because I was keeping the insert to be the sanding disc, I needed the cutout to be fairly precise. I didn't use any glue and only screwed the pieces together in case I wanted to pull anything apart later to change things. To assemble the top and mount the circular saw, I first needed to cut out a hole that the saw would fit into on the bottom tabletop piece. Once I dropped the saw into place, I discovered a couple of issues. The wood I had was slightly thicker than I would have liked, so the motor housing on the saw bumped against it with the blade set to the deepest setting, which gave the blade only a 1.5-inch cutting depth. I decided that's fine for now, but I may have to change that later. I mounted the saw and attached the top piece with 4 screws. And then flip the saw into place. Next up, I mounted the edge piece for the miter guide to the same top piece as the saw. I then attached all the rest of the pieces of the tabletop together. I then attached the fully assembled top to the sides. And with that, the table saw tool was complete. To test it out, I cut some pieces that I'll use later for the miter gauge. Make sure to give us a thumbs up as it helps out the channel, and subscribe to see the next part of this series. And thanks for watching.